The premium inverter ducted systems are top of the range system. So ducted system means that it's less intrusive. So all of the equipment's either concealed in the roof space or under the floor. So from a customer's point of view, they just see some outlets on the ceiling. It's great for large homes, or if you want to air condition multiple rooms at one time. Family members running around in and out of the rooms. Great heating or cooling effect through the whole house.
Oh, Daikin was great. Yeah, really great throughout the whole process. They came to our house and assessed our particular needs, helped with the install and even aftercare.
Yeah, for sure. I would recommend a Daikin dealer for anyone. Yeah.
If it's a new home and you need new equipment, we have you covered. But if you've got an existing home with existing equipment that may be coming towards the end of its life, we also have a retrofit system. So you get a new system, but using the existing pipework and wiring. At Daikin's production facility in Sydney, we completely produce the machines, including their coils, housing, electrical boxes. We test the equipment and then it's ready for shipment to our customers.
If you want control of your ducted system, you can zone certain parts of your home. So you're only conditioning the parts of the home that you're currently in.
The premium inverter is more efficient when compared to the standard inverter for a given capacity. It also has the ability to operate beyond its rated capacity. So what that means is, on a warmer day when you come into the home and turn the unit on, it has the ability to deliver more capacity than a standard inverter system and hence cool your home quicker.
But when it reaches set point, it has the ability to come right the way down to a low frequency, and that's where you get your energy efficiency, so your cost savings through the premium inverter.
Daikin was our choice because it's a trusted brand. We got a 5-year warranty and the call centre is great as well.
For more information on Daikin's Premium Inverter Ducted System, visit daikin.com.au.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and follow us on our Facebook channel as well for more helpful updates.